Hello! This could be a new thing. Start my videos off with one of Dottie's toys. There's enough of them. Right, so today is, could be called Airfix Day. It's Airfix. It's Thursday even, the 27th of March 2025. I've still got my stinking cold and cough. I've been trying to do the review of the Jaguar R4 for you guys and failed miserably because I'm stopping every sort of 20 seconds to cough. So I think also when I'm sort of looking down or something, but I think it's getting better, so I'm going to give it a go in a minute. Anyway, enough of that, enough of me and my bloody health. Yeah, today is a big day for Airfix. They have finally launched, they have finally released in stock the Airfix 148 Jaguar. Here's the footbox art now. The kit number is A11010, and you can get yours now from Hornby Hobbies, or you can wait around and it will be around in the shops soon enough. Generally, I think it's generally about 3 or 4 days. So with this being a Thursday, they'll send them out, even if they send them out tomorrow, the best you're going to be looking at is Monday, Tuesday to find them on the shelves anywhere. So, you know, if you want to get one now, maybe get over to Airfix and there's one cough break. Get over to Airfix now, order it and have overnight delivery or something perhaps. Maybe, I don't know, whatever. So, yeah, basically it's a beautiful looking model. You can see there, I've put up a picture and you can see at the top there it has 234 parts. Well, I can't remember now, but it's got quite a good part count, and I am told by those that have seen it that it is absolutely gorgeous, and I've even been told the cockpit looks good enough that it doesn't need aftermarket. I find that hard to believe, if I'm honest, but I've also heard it said before, and it's not because the details that's that good, it's because it's so small and closed up you can't see it. It's like a small Hellcat, you know, because the fuselage is so round. What's the point in having all that lovely 3D printed resin around the outside when you can't even see it? 24th scale, yes, but not in 72nd scale when you've got a cockpit opening that's about 8mm wide. So yeah, but it does look a beautiful kit. I've got it on pre-order. I hope to have mine soon. I wish Airfix would send out sort of test shots to YouTubers and stuff so they can do their reviews with them. Dale, are you listening? But they do now and again. We got the Sea King, didn't we? And we got the Mark 8 Spitfire. But I think you'll basically see your first review of that kit will be over on Moss's channel, Moss6510. He may even have it reviewed today or tomorrow. But I believe he's going to get the first one. So we shall see. So yeah, looking forward to that. Go over and watch the review of that one, and then you'll see it coming here and I'll be building it. So okay, so yeah, there's 4 schemes available in the kit, which is nice to see. It's 48 scale, by the way, in case I didn't mention that. Scheme A is 54 Squadron from Lossiemouth 1974, and that's in the standard grey-green scheme, and you've got the yellow checkers there on the side. Scheme B is number 6 Squadron RAF Cotteshall, Norfolk 1990 to 1994. Again, that's in the grey scheme. No pretty designs or anything like that, just a sort of standard military look to it. And then Scheme C, we have Operation Granby, Desert Storm, Merak Airport, Bahrain 1990-91. And that was the original Desert Storm, and that one there is in the desert pink colour, as they call it. So yeah, you can have some fun with that one. You can, because that aircraft underneath that colour will be the same as the ones above and below it. So you could paint it in the camouflage and then sort of hairspray it and wear some of the, because apparently there's lots of rumours, but apparently the different stories, but apparently the paint that's on them was an emulsion paint got from Wix or something, or B&Q. I don't know. But I never know the truth. I never know what to believe. There's so many stories. But apparently it was designed to be washed off after the war, so it did actually come off. So you'll find lots of pictures of them and the Tornadoes and the helicopters and everything, and the Buccaneers with the paint sort of coming off wherever it's got wet or moist or whatever. And then finally you've got Scheme D, which is number 11 Squadron, RAF Larbruck, West Germany 1976. So the newest one on there really is the Desert Storm, but the version the version B was 90 to 94. So there we go. Another cough break. See how I'm getting on today. The other thing I wanted to show you, I have had a delivery today from Hannets, and I've already done a review of 2 of these kits. So I've had this one come in, and this one's in a review. This is the Albion 3-point refueler. This is a brand new re-release from 2015 from Airfix. This is the 48 scale refueler for your 48 scale little fighters and stuff. And then we've got a 1500 weight, it's a Bedford truck here, but obviously they haven't been able to use the Bedford name, but it's a little Bedford truck, 1500 weight. And I've got some resin wheels coming for that because I'm told the tyre pattern is incorrect or something, and now I've been told I can't unsee it. And I've got this one here, which a lot of the newer modelers out there are going to absolutely be really over the moon that I've got this, because I'm going to do this and do it in sort of 1, 2, 3 videos, whatever. I've got the Eurofighter Typhoon starter set. Now, I'm not going to use the paints. Okay, I've got another starter set kit to do that on. Well, I'm saying I don't think I'm going to use the paints on this one. I want to spray this using, because I think it's barley grey, isn't it? And I'm going to spray this with Outlaw Paints barley grey that I've got that Moss kindly sent me. So let me know in the comments what colour it is, because they call up light sea grey, but I'm sure it should be barley grey on the Typhoons. Maybe that was only the development ones, I don't know. But anyway, and you can see it's got a shadow stand as well. So I'll do a review of it, an unboxing, go through it for, you know, people that have never ever seen a model kit before. And then we'll do a build of it as well. That'll be a lot of fun, because you've asked me to do some cheaper stuff, so that's what I thought I'd do. And also there's a little problem area on this one, and I want to show you how to get around it. So I'm going to be doing that this weekend, I think. We'll see. I need to get the Porsche, another version of that done, so we need to get on with that as well. But the trouble is, when I'm coughing and spluttering, it's just impossible to try and do anything technical, because you pick it up to get it in front of the camera and you have to stop to cough. So hopefully it'll be good. I've been getting no sleep at all the last couple of nights, so hopefully we'll be good to go, and hopefully I'll be able to get that review done of the beautiful Jaguar R1. I've been looking through the instructions again today. My god, that kit is gorgeous. There's only 2 left at Jadlam now, by the way. So if you're after that kit, you might want to go and get one in, because there ain't no others in the country. So there we are. Right. So there we are. The Jaguar is out. Get yourself one ordered like I have. I've got the Albion, I've got the little Bedford truck, and I've got the Eurofighter for you. So the review of those two, the 2 trucks, is already done. So that'll go out today, tomorrow, whatever. The Eurofighter is going to be very, very soon behind it. And also we've got the review, the plastic parts. I've already done the packaging, the instructions and the hull, but we'll do the plastic of the kit in part 2 of that review. I did it in 2 parts because I didn't want it to be massively long. So, and I'm hoping for this bloody cough to disappear so I can at least talk. Anyway, there we go again. So I will see you all very soon. I may even be on with Moss tonight on his members only stream. We shall see if he wants to let me come on or not. But as I say, go and have a look at his channel, Moss6510. I think he's going to have the first review ever in the world of the Jaguar from Airfix. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.